Hi there, this is Indresh and welcome back to my channel Teching 18. After a long time, I am back with this unboxing video. It's a mid-range 550 watt PSU by Cooler Master and it comes with 80 plus bronze certified and that offers 85% efficiency and it also offers 5 years warranty. And coming to the pricing details, it cost me around 3,700 rupees. And I brought this in offline store, so it's a great deal for me. And well, if you are the one who have clicked on this video by watching father's board, yes, I call it as a father board, and why I call it as a father board, be knowing it in a later part of this video. And at the end of this video, I'll be sharing my thoughts why it's so important to have a branded PSUs like Cooler Master and Corsair. So make sure that you will be watching this video until the end. And if you are the one who watching my video for first time, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and hit that little bell icon to turn on all so that you don't miss any of my future videos just like this. So now let's start unboxing this. Before opening the box, let me tell you guys, this is a fully non-modular PSU. This is how the box opens, and as soon as I open the box, I get a silica gel and a user manual. Make sure you read this user manual because it covers our warranty details. And this is the power cord you're going to get in the box. It's a Europe version, not Indian. This is how it looks. And you need a converter. I don't know why the company is selling it like this. Let me take a close-up view so you can see it. Now let me take off this PSU out of the box. It comes like this in a bubble cover, so it doesn't damage. And these are the 4 screws to fix this PSU into your cabinet. This is how the PSU looks like. It comes with a black flat cables for a good cable management. Let me turn it. Yeah, here is the model MWE bronze 550 watt. This PSU comes with 120 mm fan, and this fan rotates only when it reaches the maximum load, and it is so silent. These are the cables you're going to get. It is a 24 ATX pin which connects your motherboard. Let me get into closer view. This is 24 pin ATX connector, and you can see your 8th pin is empty. And this is non-detachable full set of 24 pin connector. If you see in old PSUs, you can see 20 plus 4 pin attached. 20 plus 4 pin attached, but here is no attachment. It is full set of 24 pin connector. So you can use this with your latest motherboards which require 24 pin connector. And this is your CPU, and this is your CPU connector, as it is mentioned here also. And in CPU connector, in some motherboards you can see 8 pins, so they have given detach. So they have given here attachment. If you are using a 8 pin motherboard, 8 pin CPU motherboard, you have to attach it like this. If you are using 4 pin, then you can detach it and use it. and this is your PCI Express, and this is your PCI Express of 8 pin, and this is also having a 6+8 pin. It is used to power up your graphic card. And here you have a SATA pin connector. SATA pin connectors of 6. And here you have a Molex connector for your peripherals to power up your RGB fans. And this SATA is to power up your hard disk drive and SSDs. Even you can power up DVD drivers, but nowadays DVD drivers are not existing. So this is the unboxing and review of this 550 watt PSU by Cooler Master, and this is the best mid-range PSU out there in the market, and not for the flagship build, and again not for the flagship build. And guys, use this power cord which was supplied in this box. By using universal connector you can easily connect, as I am showing in the picture. And finally, it's time to know why I call it as a fatherboard. I call it as a fatherboard because it is the one which supplies clean DC power, DC current to your motherboard and other peripherals and hard disks and other components in your CPU. So this is the reason why I called it as a fatherboard. And coming to why it's so important to have a branded PSUs like Cooler Master and Corsair, it is so because you need a clean current for your graphic card, for your expensive graphic card or your expensive CPU or your motherboard and other components. If you are using cheap PSU, then it may cause damage to your expensive parts. So that is the reason why you need to use branded PSUs. And that's it guys, this was the unboxing and review of this 550 watt. That's it for this video. Never use 400 rupees and 500 rupees PSUs. That may cause severe damage to your components. And that's what I want to tell you. And I will be including this video in my PC build series part 2. If you haven't watched my part 1 video, it will be in the description and on the top iCard and even on the end screen. So you can watch it.